Good morning, y'all. So today I am going to be picking a crap load of kale. So let's get started. Got this right there. So here is all the kale that I am picking today. As you can see, there is quite a bit, and all of my different varieties did pretty well. Obviously, some way more than others, but I love all the colors, and I just love the different shapes of some of these types of kales. And my plan here is to save all the smaller baby leaves for salads and to be added into eggs and sauces directly, while these larger ones that are more more hard, they're going to be dehydrated. But thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you for picking my kale with me. Y'all have a great day.